Hello and welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live Wire and I'm Hina Gambhir. The big story that we are tracking for you is the latest coming in as far as the statement by MP Kangana Ranaut is concerned. Viewers, a short while ago, a senior leader and former Member of Parliament from Punjab, Simranjeet Singh Mann, made an absolutely disgusting remark on Kangana Ranaut, a Member of Parliament. When he was asked about the controversy over the BJP Mandi MP's remarks on the farmers' protest, Simranjeet Mann said that Kangana has experience of rapes. Let's listen in to this absolutely abominable remark.
कंगना रनौत जो सांसद हैं उनका बयान आया किसान आंदोलन में रेप और मर्डर हुए। अगर बीजेपी की सरकार ना होती तो पंजाब का वो हाल होता जो बांग्लादेश का हुआ है।
मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहता, रनौत साहब को रेप का तो बहुत तजर्बा है, उनसे आगे पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे होता है रेप, तो लोगों को समझाया जाए कि रेप कैसे होता है।
उनको कैसे तजुर्बा है?
तजर्बा जैसे होता है, आप अगर साइकिल चलाते हैं तो साइकिल चलाने का तजर्बा नहीं होता, तो उनको रेप का तजर्बा है।
So viewers, you just heard. He is former Punjab Member of Parliament. He's been a lawmaker, Simranjeet Singh Mann, and this kind of a comment has come for a woman Member of Parliament. And now, viewers, Kangana Ranaut has responded to the atrocious remark that was made against her. Kangana Ranaut has slammed patriarchal mindset. She has condemned the statement by Simranjeet Singh Mann and said that the statement is trivializing rape. In fact, rape is deep-rooted in psyche, rape casually used to tease and mock women. These are the kind of comments that have now been made by Kangana Ranaut as a reaction to what Simranjeet Singh Mann had to say earlier. Let's go across to my colleague Pratibha joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pratibha, over to you. I believe you have the statement that has now come from Kangana Ranaut, the MP.
Absolutely. So this is the first response that has come in from Kangana Ranaut after that atrocious statement was made against her. And here's what she says. It seems this country will never stop trivializing rape. Today, this senior politician compared getting raped to riding a bicycle. No wonder rapes and violence against women for fun is so deep-rooted in the psyche of this patriarchal nation that is casually used to tease or mock a woman, even if she is a high-profile filmmaker or politician. So that's a response that has come in from Kangana Ranaut.
All right, a scathing response there coming in from Member of Parliament Kangana Ranaut. Thank you, Pratibha, for the moment for joining us with all of those details. In fact, viewers, this remark by a former Member of Parliament, Simranjeet Singh Mann, has shocked people across the country because this kind of a remark that trivializes something as serious as rape in the country, in fact, is very, very shocking. And this, remember, has come in at a time when already there is a lot of outrage and anger across the country, especially after seeing what happened with a 31-year-old doctor, the way she was brutally raped and murdered in Kolkata. Then we got reports of minors getting assaulted sexually in Badlapur in Maharashtra. And since then, viewers, there have been a number of such incidents of rape that have been reported from different parts of the country. Yesterday, we heard from the president of the country as well, who spoke about the atrocities, the crimes against women. And even she said enough is enough. And amidst all of this, a comment like this coming in from a former Member of Parliament is absolutely disgusting. And now we have a reaction coming in from Kangana Ranaut herself. And let's now listen in to the reaction that we have got from Kangana Ranaut.
अगर इस तरह से आर्टिस्ट की जो है वो आवाज़ को दबाया जाएगा और एक फ़िल्म को, मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी को, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बंदूकें तान दी हैं, हमारे माथे पे रख दी है, तो बंदूकों से तो हम डरने वाले हैं नहीं। और आज मुझे रेप थ्रेट्स भी आ रहे हैं कि कंगना को पता है कि रेप क्या होता है, तो वो मुझे एक तरह से रेप की भी धमकियां दे रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं दबा सकते हैं।
So Kangana Ranaut, their member of parliament, is now claiming that she is also getting rape threats. And earlier we heard former Punjab MP Simranjeet Singh Mann, in fact, making derogatory remarks against actor turned politician Kangana Ranaut. The Shiromani Akali Dal leader's remark have come days after Kangana Ranaut had alleged that rapes took place during the farmers' protest. Now, that is something that's being, in fact, questioned by activists across the country.